Arc Raiders, a free-to-play shooter released in early access in 2022, had a major issue. Many players got stuck at 99% on the loading screen, preventing them from playing. This was due to problems with how the game loaded assets, managed memory, and synchronized with online servers. Insufficient RAM, less than 16 gigabytes, or outdated graphics drivers made the problem worse. The core issue was that the game failed to fully initialize multiplayer elements or network handshakes, often due to race conditions in code where loading threads didn't synchronize properly. This was a significant issue for the game at launch, leading to negative reviews. Embark Studios released multiple patches to fix the 99% loading bug. The key fixes involved optimizing memory usage and improving network synchronization during the loading process. By early 2023, the issue was largely resolved for most players through these technical improvements. However, despite these successful fixes, Arc Raiders was shut down on June 30, 2024. The game faced low player engagement and financial sustainability issues that made it impossible to continue. Arc Raiders serves as a valuable case study in the challenges of early access releases and live service game development. While the 99% loading bug was successfully fixed, the game's lessons about optimization, player retention, and financial sustainability remain highly relevant for the industry.